Good morning. This lesson will help you learn how to access Google Forms online, design a survey, and understand how to access collected data for use in assignments and work. Let's start by opening up the Google browser like we have on our screen here. If you'll click on the side where my picture is located, for you it'll say sign in. I'm already signed in, but you can sign into your Google account or create an account here, which will return you back to this Google screen. Next, click on the little grid in the upper right-hand corner and pull the bar down until you see the purple Forms icon, and click there. From here, it's quite easy. We'll open a blank form by clicking on the plus, and now we're in the Forms launcher. Super easy. Stay with me. Click on the Untitled Form button, and let's call it Classmate Data. Anywhere you click in this form, you're going to be able to change the information that's listed there. So next, let's click on Form Description. Let's type in T-shirt data. We're going to collect sizes of t-shirts from people for an easy way to use a survey. Next, we can click on the words Untitled Question down here. And let's write t-shirt sizes, or t-shirt size better. Let's leave it here at multiple choice because we're going to give them the choice of men's large and men's medium. So let's click in option 1 and write men's medium. And let's add a second option by clicking here and typing men's large. We need to know who these t-shirts are collected for. So let's click on the plus icon here and type first and last name. We want this to be a short answer here, which it automatically assumed we needed, so it switched it over. Let's make sure we slide this bar over here to the right for required. It makes sure we get their answer and they can't skip over it. Let's click back up here in t-shirt size and do the same thing as well. That's it for creating a form. It's that easy. So let's also make sure we title our form. If I click in here, you see that it automatically changes to Classmate Data. Now if we come to the right-hand side and click on the purple Send button, it allows us to come over here and send the form to ourselves. That's the best way I find to do it so that I can proofread the form and make sure I'm happy with the way it looks before I send it out to everybody else. It's titled Classmate Data, and we'll just click the purple Send button. So it has sent the form off to my email, which is right here, and I can click Fill Out Form. Sorry about that. It's giving me a little bit of trouble today. So here's my form. I'm going to say men's medium. And here's my name, and I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to do it one more time just to test it. I'm going to hit submit again. Then I'm going to come back over here to I'm going to close those form boxes down. Come back over to my come back over to my Google Forms sheet. And now that you'll see, I have 2 responses. If I click here, this gives me the ability to look at who has responded, but I'd like to be able to do something more with that data. So let's go over here and click these little dots here and say select response destination. If I click on this, I can say I want to create a new spreadsheet, Classmate Data, and it's going to save my information there to use later. So I simply click Create, and now if I click the green button here, it says View Responses in Sheets. My information is now sorted in here, which is great if you have a lot of data being captured. That's as easy as Forms gets. That's as hard as Forms gets. All of your information is here in Google Forms. Your data is captured in Google Sheets, and now you can do anything you want with it. I hope this has been helpful for you.